In this video, I would be telling you how you can get awesome backgrounds on your YouTube videos. For this, you need iMovie app and a green screen. You would be recording your video standing ahead of a green screen. To download the iMovie app, you have to go to App Store. And over here, you have to search iMovie. Select iMovie. And you can download this app for free. Then you have to open the iMovie app. Over here, you have to import your video as well as the background you want behind your video. Over here, this is my green screen video and this is my background. I'll add both of these and press enter. Make sure to first add the background and then add your video. The video is 17.4 seconds. Then we have to make sure that the background is also 17.4 seconds. Select the background, click this button and then type 17.4 and then press enter. Now click your video and go to this option. Over here, select the green/blue screen. So as you can see, the green screen has been replaced by a background. For the side edges, you have to crop this, just like this. And then click here. Now the background of your video have been changed. Let's see the video.
According to the new TRAI rules, the daily TV viewing cost for Indian.
So this works pretty well. So if this video helped you, then please subscribe my channel and do like my video.